Hi, my name's Michael Pieri, and I'm a librarian at Hamden Public Library. This two-part video provides a brief introduction to using Zoom on Apple iPhone. Zoom is the software we are using to present our online programs at the library. This first part goes over the process of registering for a Zoom program at the library and downloading the Zoom app. Part 2 goes over how to enter a Zoom meeting and how it works once you're in a meeting. To register for a Zoom program hosted by the library, you can start on our website, hamdenlibrary.org. On mobile devices such as the iPhone, the library website currently looks like this. To find the online events calendar, scroll down until you find the red menu button and tap on it. Then tap on the menu item labeled Online Events. On the next page, you will see our online calendar. Scroll down to see a list of upcoming online events. Find an event you are interested in attending and tap on the title in blue. You will now be on the event page, which contains a detailed description of the event. To sign up, find the link in blue and tap on it. Now you will be on the Zoom registration page. Scroll down and fill in the information requested: first name, last name, and email. You will also have to enter a CAPTCHA code as seen here. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Register. Wait for the screen to advance. At the top of the next page, you should see Meeting Registration Pending Approval. Below that, it will have the name of the event followed by its date and time. Note that due to security concerns, your request to register must be approved by staff. After approval, you will receive an email confirming your registration that contains all the information you need to enter the meeting. Here you can see the email confirming our registration for this program. Further down on the page, on the email, you will see something like this. Tap on the link and you'll be taken to the Zoom website. If you haven't downloaded the Zoom app, you may get one of several messages depending on which browser you are using. Here is the message you'll see on Chrome. Tap Cancel. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on the blue Download from App Store button. When the prompt appears, tap Open to proceed to the Zoom download page on the App Store. If you use Safari instead, here is the message you'll see. Tap OK. Then tap the View button at the top of the page to go to the Zoom download page on the App Store. Zoom is free to download. Simply tap on the blue Get button. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID and/or password in order to complete the download, so make sure you have that information handy. Once the download has begun, simply wait for it to finish. Then tap on the blue Open button to open Zoom. And that's it for part 1. To learn how to join a Zoom meeting and use the Zoom app, please watch part 2. A link is provided in the video description. Thanks for watching.